Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today I wanted to show you guys a brand new boat to the market, being a 2023 Sea Ray 260 SLX. Let's go ahead and walk around the exterior and then jump inside and check out some of the new features this boat has. So to start off with, we have our blue exterior on this boat matched with your black gel stripe going all the way down the side of the hull, giving this thing an incredible look in the water. Now, as we go back, I want you to notice that this Sea Ray emblem is completely redesigned and does have the available option of having an illuminated emblem. So really, really cool boat and just adding little touches that we haven't seen before. Coming back here to the stern, initially, all you notice is the sea deck is completely different looking. You got your soft touch outsides of the sea deck itself and a completely different design, giving it that sleek look that we all love. And actually kind of matching it to the cross stitching that is on the seats. So really characteristic boat and flows really nicely bow to stern. So let's go ahead and walk onto here. Now, really cool how they did a lot of their storage compartments here, all on magnets, so that way there is no latch that can fail on you, and it's a very reliable, easy compartment to get into. Now this one right here is easy to fit a set of skis in, or even a water carpet or lily pad. So very, very expansive compartment. Now as we go back into the boat here, I want you to show you guys our signature SLX corner seating right here. So it's very comfortable, easy access to all of your cup holders, and all of your just easy to reach areas, such as a great spot to access your cooler and even an accessible table mount as well. Come on further into the boat, guys. I want to show you what's powering this bad boy. Now notice the engine hatch is not on an electric shock, which is really convenient, easy to open up quick. She's got a 350 horsepower Mercruiser, fire suppression system, anything that you could need safety-wise or entertainment-wise is on this boat. Now walking towards the helm over here, you will notice these big 9-inch Simrads right there in your face, giving you all the information you need to see, whether it's looking at your lighting systems on the boat or even just navigating on your local lake. Now, they did put the redesigned digital throttle in place, so this has different active trim profiles built into this, and it is completely digital, so it's very, very smooth operation. Now coming over to our port side here, you will notice our beautiful head compartment that actually magnetizes to the helm station, so that way it's easy to get in and out, and those waves aren't going to have that door swing into you. Now coming up to the bow, really neat how they did this. Of course, having the wraparound cushions, be comfortable at any angle in the front of this boat. Even having some of the coolest storage compartments and really being able to pack a ton of life jackets or any other accessories you guys might need. Now, last but not least, this being an SLX model, you have to have the windlass off the front. So, coming up here, you got your beautiful windlass anchor and even an accessible storage compartment to reach your lines, your manual crank, and even having a dedicated cleat up here to tie off that rope. Lastly, having a shower head up here so you can go ahead and rinse that thing off so it's shining like it should. All right, guys, well, my name is Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If you guys like this boat, interested in taking a test drive or maybe even building one custom, please let us know. Thank you guys for watching.